Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Tuesday, July 15th. Well, what we saw was a little bit of movement here in the Russell. It did give us a bit of a rally on Monday. Asia just opening up basically unchanged. I think the bias for this market is to move higher. The 950 is the dollar difference between that sell level to that buy level. And what are we looking for? I'm looking for follow through. Now, to the upside. We have CPI, we have PPI coming out this week. We have geopolitical events, we have tariff issues. So there's a lot going on that can stimulate these markets. Now, the dollar, US dollar, is getting stronger against these currencies. This is the euro, and it continues to get weaker, but it's struggling as it's going down. So be careful here if you're on the short side of that market. This could easily come back. The dollar difference here between the sell to buy level is $325 a contract. Now let's move on though, and let's get over here to Bitcoin, making new highs on selling. Not a good sign for continuation. Looking for an inside day in that market. And when it comes to what we're seeing in metals, silver, be careful here. A market, this is bearish. But I think with the fundamentals that we have out there, this could be an inside day for that market. And so be careful on the long side, I think, when it comes to silver. But what's really interesting is what's happening in the corn market. It's firming up, trying to go higher, but is there really the fundamental support behind that market? In other words, can it sustain an upper move in that market? I have my doubts about that, but a sideways to higher move is what we're looking for Tuesday. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.